Understanding elders know best, a phrase in the English language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, elders know best. This is a common saying in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and find out why this phrase is significant and how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, elders know best, is a proverb that suggests that older people, due to their life experiences, have more wisdom and knowledge. It implies that they are often in a better position to give advice or make decisions. This saying is rooted in the belief that with age comes experience, and with experience comes wisdom. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In decision-making, I wasn't sure which course to choose for my master's, but then I remembered the saying, elders know best, and decided to ask my grandparents for advice. In everyday conversations, my dad always has a solution for everything. I guess it's true what they say, elders know best. In many cultures around the world, elders are respected for their age and experience. This phrase reflects that respect and acknowledges the value of the wisdom that often comes with age. It's often used in situations where one is seeking advice or guidance from someone older or in discussions about the importance of respecting and valuing the opinions of the elderly. While elders know best is a widely accepted saying, it's important to note that in modern society, the phrase can sometimes be a topic of debate. The younger generation might argue that new challenges and technologies require fresh perspectives. It's essential to understand that while the phrase emphasizes the wisdom of elders, it doesn't mean younger people's ideas or opinions are less valuable. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, elders know best. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the ideas and cultural values they reflect. Keep exploring and learning, and you'll find that understanding such phrases will greatly enrich your English language skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.